In this guide, we're going over everything you need to know about gangs here in Bizarre Lineage on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you're trying to survive the harder parts of the game, doing everything solo can obviously be pretty difficult, and joining a gang is by far one of the best ways to progress faster, earn a lot more rewards, and fight for control around the map. Gangs are not just showing off, they can give you some pretty good rewards, stat bonuses, and territory control, which obviously makes them very useful if you do want to get stronger. If you want to create your own gang, start by opening up the menu down in the bottom right corner of your screen. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Once you're on here, you need to go to the Gangs tab, which looks something like this. Open this up and you're going to see a tab that looks like this, where it's going to give you your logo ID, your gang name. For example, we'll say this is the Boz Club. The logo ID, this is where you paste your emblem ID, and then of course you just have to hit finalize just like so. Now, to get a proper decal ID, you do need to go to the create section on the Roblox website. We have a full video breaking this down, so just search up how to create an emblem Roblox, just Boz, and it'll pop up. But for a quick breakdown, just open up development items, select decals, upload an image that you want for your gang logo, and then of course you'll be able to copy the numbers from the asset ID or URL and paste those into the logo field. But yeah, from here you can also go ahead and just finalize this and then invite people or enter in an invite link, and of course you'll be able to join someone else's gang as well. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.